I was gonna do a Facebook Live, but the only time I've had time to do it is now at 10 o'clock in the morning. And I know I have 4 friends who would watch it because they love me. Dog barking. I know that my friends would watch it because they love me, but I don't know that they'd be that interested or have all the time necessary to sit through what it is. So we're making it a video after I let the dogs in. So I made a trip to Goodwill, which was just a run in and see a few things sort of thing, and I came out with lots of things. First, and completely, well, maybe not completely unrelated because it's related to me and I'm related to Purple Monkey, but my favorite pair of snow boots ever is my sorrel wedges, and they've got this great heel on them and they're waterproof, but they're still stylish. Anyway, the same style of shoe, the sorrel wedge in a sandal, in my size. These are like, the boots are close to $200. I think these were maybe $150 originally. Anyway, 3 pairs of them in my size. I'm gonna keep this one, and I'm gonna sell these if I can on Marketplace or maybe Poshmark. I've been thinking about trying an account there and see how I do. And then I have these. Anyway, I don't need 3 pairs of open-toed shoes. 3 more pairs of open-toe shoes. Anyway, so I'm gonna keep the tan ones and see if I can make some money off the other. They were $4.99 a pair, all in my size. Back to business now. Okay, this guy here, he's really heavy, and he's got, well, he's got some battery acid all over his battery holder thing. But my husband says he thinks he can get that off there. He's a chemist. He can do it without blowing it up or hurting himself. But it's got this really great gong type mechanism. It should be fantastic once it's cleaned up and working. And then I'll paint this with, I don't know, I'm thinking I need to go to a little more white. I've got a lot of blue in my boots right now. Okay, picked up this guy for 69 cents. I was gonna say 99 cents, but I've got some jars over my countertops that will, that have this color. It's like almost clear, but it's got a little bit of an aqua tint to it. Anyway, I think this guy might join those. These cute little birds. Birds seem to be doing well right now. I don't know if it's like a conscious decision into everybody loving birds, kind of like sloths or llamas, but I know my sister does, and I know my grandmother does, and so I guess I do too. I didn't realize it. Anyway, there's 2 of them. They were 99 cents each. I probably am just gonna wash them and stick them in the booth as is. Maybe $3.95. I usually try to do 4 times the amount of what I bought it for if I can. I had never seen one of these before. It is a pillar candle holder, but it's milk glass and it's an interesting shape. So I picked it up for 99 cents. Again, I'll try to go for somewhere near $4. This guy, a milk glass bud vase, buy them every time I see them. This one was 69 cents, and I can sell these all day long for $5.95. Look at this. Again, on the bird thing. We've got a bird and we've got kind of white, so it'll go with anything. I bet I can sell it really quickly. This one was $3. This thing is super cool. I guess it's like a letter writing station. I don't know. Anyway, it's got a little bit of a lip here. You can address an envelope or something. It's got a drawer. I'm gonna paint this guy, and you know what, I don't know what I can sell them for. I'll do a little bit of research and see what other people are doing for this sort of thing. But as a desk organizer and with a little bookshelf, I think it'll go quickly.
I wanted to share with you some finished photos of this piece and what I ultimately did to it, but I didn't get those taken, so I thought I'd share with you some of the video I took. I used a stencil to get the tree on there. I just used, I started off with one color of paint and added light to it as I went. I also sanded the edges of the, distressed it a little bit. I used DIY paint in Old School, and then the white is Vintage Linen. You can get both of those on my website at purplemonkeymanor.com. The sealant is the liquid patina. I like it a lot. It's easy to paint on, dries clear, darkens the paint just a tiny bit, but not enough to make me feel like it's messed up the piece.
All right, another milk glass bud vase. This one was 99 cents too. I just already put it through the dishwasher, so it's ready to be priced and go to the store. A wooden candlestick, again, easy sell. This was $1.99. I'll probably sell it for right around $10, maybe just under. Salt and pepper shakers, they were 69 cents each or 99 cents each, but they have the blue tags on them, and that was the half price tag. So set of pretty great white salt and pepper shakers for $1. Again, brass, you know me, and this was another one that was just kind of weird. It looks a little like an ashtray. It's got pads on the bottom that I would protect if it was sitting on a table or something. So it could be a large pillar candle holder. I guess it could be a coaster, although that doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. It seems like it could be used better than just a coaster. Anyway, 99 cents for that guy. This is so strange. It's a metal ball. I don't know what it was intended for. It's not heavy enough to be a cannonball. I think it's just decor, but I liked it for some reason. 99 cents. We'll see if I can convince somebody else that it's worth something. I got 2 colanders. These are nice and heavy, probably modern because I bet they're modern because they do feel heavy. Anyway, $2.99 and $2.99. I liked the bright colors on them. This kind of cool little metal tree. He's metal. $1.99. Anyway, this guy, I just liked him as is. He's cute. $1.99. Did I say that? This clock is funny. And the reason it's funny is because I used to own the exact same clock. I got this one for $6, but I think that I can sell it quickly. Again, I guess this would make the 5th project piece, but with clocks, I can turn them around quickly and make money off them quickly. So I'm gonna get this guy painted up. I think with these metal numbers, it'll do well. And I've already put a battery in it and let it run for a day or two. It says 11:45, 11:47. 10:47, and so the clock is still keeping good time. That's fantastic. And then finally, this large metal tray. It has one little ding in it. Right here. The metal underneath, it's not like it's bright silver, it's kind of like a galvanized metal. Anyway, I could probably just spray a little bit of the oil rubbed bronze spray paint on a paintbrush, cover that little tiny ding, and it'll be ready to go. I got him for $6. I think that's everything. We'll see how I did. Trying to practice. At some point I'm gonna go live, but I wasn't quite ready. If you would like to see more thrift store hauls and a few craft projects here and there, please subscribe below, hit the notifications button, and give us a thumbs up. We are trying to grow this YouTube thing, and we really want your support.